Trusts are not just for millionaires. Trusts are beneficial to a host of people with various situations. The most common one I see is even with couples that don't necessarily maybe have a lot of assets, but they do have younger children. So should something happen to them while the children are still minors, the children wouldn't be able to inherit money anyways because you have to be at least 18 years old to inherit. If you don't have a trust and your will just says, I leave everything to my children and they're young, somebody will be appointed by the court to manage the assets for the children. Then when the children turn 18, they will just get a very large check. So some parents are uncomfortable with the notion that an 18-year-old is going to inherit a decent amount of money. So instead they opt for a trust, which will appoint, specifically allows the parents to choose who they want to be in charge of managing the assets for the children while they're still younger. And it also gets to let the parents choose the age at which they want their children to inherit the money. So if they feel more comfortable with the kids inheriting at age 21 or 25 or 30, it really gives them more control as to when they want their children to actually receive the assets. One of the other primary reasons I see people motivated to leave somebody's inheritance in a trust is when their intended beneficiary is not overly responsible with money. So someone who they think is maybe a grown adult but just really not good with their finances. Leaving the money in the trust allows the money to be there for their benefit and for their use, but it puts kind of a gatekeeper in between them and the money. So you still appoint someone else to assist them in managing the money and ensuring it's there for them for really the length of time you intend it to be there for them.